Can you find the correct preposition? Let's test your brain while learning easily. Welcome to the English Language Key, where you learn English with fun quizzes and tutorials. Today we are learning all the preposition of place. Are you ready to beat the quiz? Let's go. Where is the book? The book is on the table. Use on when something is resting on the surface. Where is the apple? The apple is in the bowl. Use in when something is enclosed or inside another object. Look closely. What is the preposition? The cat is under the bed. Under means directly beneath something. High up in the sky, what do we say? The plane is flying above the clouds. Above means higher than something without touching it. Watch it fly. Where is the bird? The bird is flying over the forest. Over also means higher than something, but often with movement across. Treasure time. Where is the chest? The treasure chest is below the surface of the ocean. Below means lower than something else. These two are close. What do we say? The chairs are next to each other. Next to means beside or close to. Who's a good boy? The dog is sitting beside the boy. Beside means at the side of someone or something. Right in the middle, what do we say? The ball is between the two chairs. Between is used when something is in the middle of two things. Look carefully, it is hidden. The ball is behind the chair. Behind means at the back of something. Let's go to class. The child is standing in front of the blackboard. In front of means facing or before something. Cozy kitten alert. The kitten is inside the box. Inside is similar to in, used for enclosed spaces. Fresh air. Where is the cat? The cat is sitting outside the house. Outside means not in a building or not inside. He is jumping. character is jumping onto the platform. Onto is used when something is moving to a surface. Down he goes. The cat is jumping off the stable. Off means moving away from a surface. Where exactly? The person is standing at the entrance. At is used for specific points or locations. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Want to master Preposition of Time next? Hit like and subscribe. See you.